Oh, shit. Okay, there we go. I think it's fine. I've never done this before. First time. Welcome. Our Wi-Fi has gone out, so I'm streaming from a hotspot on an Android phone that I don't use typically. It's just a bot phone that I use sometimes. I'm assuming no one's going to join, which is fine. I just kind of want to be on video so that I stay focused. Oh, how do I share my screen? This is probably a bad idea. And again, or anything else. Be good people, please, who don't exist. All right, so let's see. I have event listeners that are working in other parts of my code through this shared event module. And I just set up Mongo. I don't even know if it's working yet. And yeah, so see if it works. I don't even know which MongoDB account. Let me log into Mongo also. All right, so there are a couple instances where we need to do certain things. We don't have authentication yet, so the users just kind of doesn't exist yet, and this these schemas may be a bit restrictive because of that. Like, let's see, does the message schema? Okay, no, it just requires a string for user ID because I was just going to pass a dummy variable as a user ID, so that's fine. All right, so to our service, we're going to import the shared event module. So there's nothing else we have to do. We have to create an instance of it, I think. Let me just find another example in the code. Oh, see, my screen keeps going. Something wrong with my HDMI cable. That is a huge pain in the ass. Whatever. Okay. So let's say we need it. We want it in a service file. So let's do speech module, and let's find shared event service. Oh, okay. So we need to pass it in the constructor. Oh, pass it in the constructor. And where do we go? So okay, shared event service. I import that properly also? I don't think I did. Let's see. Yeah, I imported the module. I think I'm supposed to import this service. Let me go back to the speech module. Let's see what. Okay, no, that imports the module. And then the speech service imports the service. Okay, well, I guess you just, because the module has the service in it. So you can do that. And let's see. So this. Actually, let's just. Oh my god. All right, this is getting bad. This is fucking. I need to figure out this HDMI cable situation. God damn. I'm also gonna play some music in a second because. Yeah. Oh, all right. And we're gonna say this. Just close this. Stop. Oh my god. Please no. Oh my god. It's getting worse. It's getting significantly worse. What do I even? Oh my god. Fucking. See, the thing is, let me just hold it here for a second. We'll see what happens. I'm holding the HDMI cable in place. So if this works, then I'll put something under it. Okay. It's not tall enough. Okay, this is working though, so that's clearly the issue. I'm gonna pin the. There we go. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're good. Okay, no, we do not want to be redefining the constructor inside of the constructor. We just want to register an event listener, and that's good. The one thing I don't have in Cursor, I'm using Cursor, Cursor.dev. Shout out, Cursor is a fantastic product. Fantastic 10 out of 10 product. But the one thing I have not done yet is set up Prettier on save. So sometimes I will just go into VS Code and save a file so that it will format everything, which I'm going to do right now. This is the lazy approach because it's probably something that I could figure out in like 20 minutes if I just looked up how to format on save in Cursor. Oh, see, yeah, this is why it's a problem. This is why it's a problem because I spend so much more time doing this than if I were to just figure out how to. Maybe that's a problem for tomorrow. I don't think it's a problem for today. Okay, so we don't need to listen to the audio chunk received event. What we need to listen for is a couple of things. So I had written something yesterday. Let me pull up system design that I was writing. System design. I'll pull that in over here too. Get away, get away, get away. Can I? All right, so this was like a big prompt that I had written. And I kind of just pasted it in here. Or is this it? Yeah, this is it. So we need to listen for. Let me just write a few comments on what you do. Okay, so LLM sometimes finishes uploading to GCS before it finishes actually streaming the transcript back to the client. So when that happens, it breaks a bunch of things and it needs to be fixed. And the only methods I have come up with for fixing it are extremely jank. And now I'm realizing I'm going to have to fix it in an extremely jank way in multiple different parts of the code, which kind of blows. But the goal is to launch somewhat quickly, so I'm not going to go crazy. All right, let's see. Create a new message. Type AI and file uploaded. If it's a what is it? Is user add to the document for user audio. Well, that's another thing we need. I'm gonna put that here. Final transcript. That is going to create a new message with document type user and and we need to okay, user your audio false, and then up here we can just say trip and add to the document for user audio. And if it's false, add to the document for audio. AI message. Now, the annoying thing, like I mentioned before, the race condition is that, so this event is associated with this event, and this event is associated with this event, but we don't know which of them is going to happen first. So that kind of blows. That kind of blows. My face is really dark. Let me see if I can get a light going. Hang on. Can you pause the stream? Stop sharing, mute, share, end stream, edit. Okay, well, I want to get a light. Hang on. Nah, Bud Light. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. Be so blue thinking about you. We'll be doing alright in a Christmas of warmth, but I'll have a blue Christmas. Okay, we shed some light on the subject here. What's the big fucking deal? All right, we back. Let's see how that did. Oh, there we go. All right, here I am. Haha. I want to start playing music now. Okay, let's well, what we really need to do here is like test if any of this works. I think that's probably step one. I don't even know if the Mongo implementation that I wrote is actually working. So that's a consideration for sure. So let's first write the event listener for final transcript ready, because the LLM stream event, one thing that this doesn't do is send the final accumulated LLM response along with the event. So that is a change that needs to be made in LLM service. Yeah, let's do this. We're going to say we take the unique languages. Oh, maybe we should include that too. We don't need chunk. Okay, wait. I was like, well, this is because I copied another event. I think it's just called final transcript. Is the item that's on there. Final transcript. And we don't actually need to log it, but what we do need to do, and let's create a logger also. That way we don't have to console log bits.logger. And then how do we do this? It's like is it? Okay, import the logger, and then in the I'm thinking about something. And that is in the okay, it's a variable in the class definition. Variable in the class definition, and we need Mongo service, and we need to import the logger, which is common. Cool. Now we have a logger, and this is what our logs look like, just by the way. So let's see, Mongo module, cool. So what we need to do is we need to write a function that will be called on this event and it will create a message in the Mongo database, and the message will have the final transcript as the text value on the message. I think the message itself has a message value on it, the message document, which is not ideal, but it'd be like that sometimes. Mongo schemas, message schema. So we have a type. Okay. Handle. I'm just going to make a handler. I'm going to call it very explicitly so that as you can tell, I have a hard time paying attention. And what I'm going to do is, where did we go? Oops. What did I just do? Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. What is the, I'm trying to pick up a new keyboard shortcut because I have a really shitty time navigating through files because I just get